Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. Also, you need to turn off the water to the refrigerator. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the water inlet valve in a Whirlpool refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a 1/4-inch nut driver and a 1/2-inch open-ended wrench. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new water inlet valve. This water inlet valve is mounted at the back of the refrigerator on the side of the cabinet. It supplies water on demand to the ice maker and to the drinking dispenser. If there's no water inside the ice maker or at the dispenser or both, check and replace the water inlet valve if needed. So we are at the back of the fridge, and to get to the part we need to remove this rear access panel. We have a few 1/4-inch screws holding it in place, and I'm going to use the 1/4-inch nut driver. I'm going to take him out. I'm going to slide out the power cord and open that panel here. Alright, so this is our water inlet valve. It's mounted to the cabinet on the left side. And I'm going to use the 1/4-inch nut driver. I'm going to remove this 2 screws that hold it in place. I'm going to pull it out. Right there. I'm going to place a towel here underneath. And this line will be dripping into that drip pan, so we're not going to be worried about that one. Next, we're going to disconnect these 3 water lines. We need to press in this locking collar, so using that 1/2-inch open-end wrench, I'm going to press it on, and I'm going to pull out these the hose, the water line. And 2 more. Same procedure. Press in, pull out. Press in, pull out. It has some water in it. And we're going to empty it into this drip pan. And now I'm going to grab the valve and unplug these 2 plugs from the coils. As you can see, they're different size, so we cannot mix them around. This is the old water inlet valve next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Alright, so this is our new water inlet valve, and we're going to start installation with attaching this harness. We have 2 plugs, 2 coils. And I'm going to put it on. Remember, I mentioned that we can't mix them up because they are different size. Next, I'm going to connect the water tubes. And this is the large diameter. And it goes right in there. And push it in all the way. And we have another one. This one goes in there. Same thing, push it in.
There you go. Go ahead.
Press it in. And I'm going to turn it around like that. And we got one more tube here. And goes in this outlet here, in this port. Again, all the way in. And now we're going to install the valve right there. There's the 2 holes. We're going to match them and place a couple of 1/4-inch screws. I'm going to use a 1/4-inch nut driver and secure it. Next, I'm going to remove the towel
And now we can close the rear access panel. All right, I'm gonna pull out slightly the panel, and I'm gonna lift it up. Slide this power cord into this slot here. And now we're going to secure the panel with the 1/4" screws and match the holes.
Plug the fridge in, open the water, and check if there are any leaks. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.